If you're comparing Trae AI versus anti-gravity, this is really a question of emerging tools versus Google-level AI power. So is Google's option still better? Let's break it down. Trae AI is a newer AI tool focused on speed and simplicity. It's designed to help with everyday tasks like writing, basic coding, and quick problem solving. The main advantage is accessibility. It's lightweight, easy to use, and doesn't overwhelm you with too many features. But because it's newer, it lacks depth and advanced reasoning and doesn't have a large ecosystem behind it yet. Anti-gravity, on the other hand, represents Google's more advanced AI direction. It's built to handle complex reasoning, large-scale data processing, and deeper integrations across tools. This means it performs better in areas like research, long context understanding, and more advanced workflows. It also benefits from Google's infrastructure, which usually means better reliability and continuous improvements. So the real difference is this. Trae AI is simple and fast, while anti-gravity is powerful and more advanced. If you just want a lightweight AI for everyday use, Trae AI is enough. If you need deeper reasoning, better accuracy, and more advanced capabilities, Google's anti-gravity is still the stronger option. Bottom line, yes, Google's option is still better overall, but only if you actually need that extra power. For casual use, the difference may not matter much. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.